You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV. My name is Just Paul now. The All-Star Game has finally returned to the Bay Area 25 years later, so it's only right for 1985 Gallery to partake in all of the festivities. They had a live raffle for the Galaxy Foamposite. They had Cold Thing About It, serving up some Galaxy-inspired lemonade. You had Jsquared photography all throughout the gallery, and a custom one-of-one Galaxy-inspired BMX bike by Sped Co. Great turnout so far. A bunch of people out here trying to win the shoes, trying to come home with the items. Shoot Your Shot TV, 1985 Gallery, All-Star Weekend 2025, Bay Area. Let's get it.
From the city of the fog, 89 earthquake was happening. Numbers, good job. Singularity, feeling so. Spin a little, cause I want to. Living so. Make a little, cause I want to. Feel so. Shine a little, cause I want to. Yeah. Cause I want to. Yeah. Cause I want to. Yeah. I haven't talked kids.
How's it going? We're in line with some of the patrons today trying to get lucky with the Galaxy Foams. What's your name?
My name is Fano.
Fano, did you have these back in the day, the Galaxy Foam?
Unfortunately not, but I know a bunch of friends of mine and, older relatives, they love the Foamposites, so, obviously got to keep the, tradition going.
Definitely. Are you copping for yourself or are you copping the flip?
I want to get one for myself potentially, but also get some for some friends. So.
Nice.
Yeah,
how many raffle tickets did you get?
Just one right
Just
now.
one? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You got other spots you're trying to hit up?
Maybe. We'll see. Potentially. Maybe downtown. Who knows?
Nice. Yeah, there's a lot going on this weekend. What you got on feet today? What's Crep Check?
The Jordan 1, the Phantoms,
Ooh, Travis Scott joints?
Chill day today, chill.
I like how you flip the laces. You put those on yourself?
Yes, sir. Yeah. I'm pretty sure they came with them, so.
Oh, sick. Nice. Those are clean, man. Well, good luck.
I appreciate you, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Ooh, these blowing me the up.
Oh, it's my guy right here. Yes, sir. You just locked in size 10, locking in pairs for the people.
Left and right, man.
You're one of the few people I know that actually had this shoe when it first came out. How does it feel that Nike's retroing it? Are you excited? What's going on? What's the emotions?
I need help real quick. The first generation Galaxy phones dropped about 7 years ago, maybe?
13.
13?
Yeah.
So 13 from now, I was still a young pup. So I'm a lot mature now. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Please don't bash me. The love of the game I still got, but the shoes don't really hold that much value in my life no more because I'm doing different things. But when that shoe came out, that was once a powerful shoe that set up there on the rack with the Yeezy 1s, Yeezy 2s, along with the South Beach LeBrons that I got from him.
Oh, that's right.
Right now, I know when these shoes get retro, they kind of twist things, throw a little bit of darker ink on it. It's not gonna be original. But I'm happy that it's not a super craze right now because I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Listen, this shoe was the reason why the sneaker game took that big spike and the raffles became a thing. Resellers was born at a heavier pace. Nike got involved. The shit was going for 90,000. Somebody wanted to trade a car on eBay for this shit. Yeah. This was the shoe, so I'm just glad it ain't funky out here, man. It took a decade for the game to cool down to bring it back to guys that like me and him,
yes, sir,
appreciate the shoe and gonna wear it, not try to sell it immediately.
Yeah, very peaceful this time around.
Oh, for sure,
yeah.
Very peaceful. It's been a great shoe and it still is a great shoe. One of my top 12 sneakers of all time, Galaxy Penny Foams.
Yes, sir.
The Penny Foams.
Can't get no better. And then just real quick, cleat check. What you got on the feet today?
I got the black toes on right now, right? I had these when they came out a couple of years ago, but my heart is so pure. I knew a guy that really wanted these back in the day, an older man, and he said, oh man, I wish I could have those. So what I did, I took them off my feet and walked home barefooted after I gave him these in a size 10. So just to get them back, I definitely locked in 3 more pair. A beautiful sneaker, man. One's is like, I didn't even trip off this. Yeah, they got the autograph right here. Fine. Let me see. What did I say? My very best. Michael Jordan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this was
with
the shoe.
Both laces. You always flip it, man. You always come correct.
It came stock like this.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one I'm rocking today, man.
Hell yeah.
Black toe ones as I know them as.
Shout out to Pape.
Cleat check.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, guy.
Love.
Thank you.
And make sure to follow and hit the like button and check out my guy. He got great music on all platforms spinning. Just dropped a new album a couple months ago called what?
Swoosh Pack.
Called what?
Swoosh Pack.
Yeah. Enjoy, y'all.
We're giving away 1 free pair of Foamposites, black toe Jordan 1s, black metallic Jordan 5s, as well as a custom one-of-one Galaxy themed BMX bike built by One Sped Co.
We're here with the homie Sway, co-founder and owner of One Sped Co. that specializes in custom BMXs and BMX apparel. This is the guy right here behind the Galaxy bike that you've seen, and just wanted to get your creative process on it. How was it to cook up this bike?
Oh, it was dope, man. I mean, we were honored to, even be thought about, with 85 Gallery, Chris and Joe. Shout out to them. We just wanted to capture that story of, the Galaxy Foamposite and really tell the story through the bike.
I feel it. And you got the foams on right now. Did you have these back in the day?
You know what is crazy? I didn't. I tried everything in my power to possess these shoes and just could not get them.
Fast forward 12 years later, now you got them, cooked up the bike, so it's crazy how things come full circle. Compared to some of the other bikes you've done a bike with Larry June, Alchemist. Where does this one rank for you?
Honestly, I think this one ranks all the way to the top in my opinion. So every bike that I do, I try to outdo the last one. So this is the current one. I feel like this is the one right now. So the winner, congratulations.
Congratulations, and hey, great job on the bike, man.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate you. One Sped Co, make sure you check them out. We back over here with AJ. We spoke to him earlier. He had entered the raffle to win the Foamposites, and congratulations, one lucky winner.
Yeah, I'm happy about it. Waited all day because I went to SF and then they told us it was only reservations. So came over here because someone told us about it, and then we came over here, and yeah, both of us won.
Nice. Him and his dad won. Earlier you said you were probably going to resell them, but how do you feel now?
Yeah, I don't know how I feel too much, just because, yeah, I won them, and there's my size, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see.
Might keep them?
Yeah, probably. Maybe.
Cool. And then here's your pops. You won as well. Congratulations. Your luck of the draw. So finally cool to have them in your collection.
Yep. Yeah. They had to my Jordan collection also, you know what I mean? So yeah.
Where do these rank as far as your top Foamposites for you?
Probably number one for Foamposites, yeah.
Number one, cool. Congratulations to both you guys.
Thank you very much.
Have a good one. We're over here with the homie Jay, who fortunately did hit on a pair of Galaxy Foamposites, but let him know the bad news though.
I had to get a size 7, man. I got, I think I was like the either third or fourth last in line. The last 10 was like 2 people ahead of me or 3 people ahead of me. So I had to get a size 7, but hey, it is what it is. Still came up.
Still came up, definitely. Did you have these back in the day?
I didn't, man. It was so hard to get. I was like what, 13 years ago, you said?
Yeah.
It was just impossible. I was out there in Nike Town for the raffle. Didn't hit anything.
Same. Yeah, well, at least you got a size 7. You could possibly trade up, flip to buy your size.
See, man, it might fit my daughter, so that's why I got the size 7. I could have got a size 8, but I went with the size 7 to just see if I could, she might be able to wear it.
And then real quick, what you got on the Mata today, my man?
This is the Fitted Algebra. Help me out. Is it the Splash Brothers?
Yeah, with the little
for the All-Star Weekend.
All-Star Weekend. Hell yeah. Thanks, Jay. Appreciate it, man. Have a good one. Over here with 1985 Gallery shop owner Chris, putting on for the community, throwing this awesome Foamposite Galaxy event, and just having a good time. How'd you feel about it, bro?
Oh man, it was a great turnout. We're so blessed to be a part of this community. Everybody always shows up and shows out in mass numbers. Everybody's happy. We had a lot of giveaways. It's a good time. It's a really good time.
Definitely. So you guys gave away a bike, gave away a pair of foams, gave away some Jordan 5s, and just taking part in these All-Star Weekend festivities. What's next for the shop?
So we're gearing up for our grand opening. We're pushing for the end of March. So you guys pull up. We're gonna have a bunch more giveaways. We're dropping a whole bunch of heat. We're pulling out from the vault. So it's gonna be another good time. Please come out.
Yes, sir. Make sure you pull up to 1985 Gallery for all your Jordan and Nike needs. Grand reopening in March. It's gonna be a good time. Shout out again to Chris from 1985. Appreciate you for having us.
Always.
Yes, sir.